Oh!
Let's build a strong concrete mixer truck today. Ready? Let's make it spin and pour concrete. Place the driver's cabin at the front. Install the rotating mixer drum at the back. Add the details. Perfect. Attach the heavy-duty wheels. Fenders go on to keep mud away. Attach the heavy-duty wheels. Place the fuel tank to power up the truck. Attach the heavy-duty wheels. Great! The mixer is ready to work. Before we mix, the truck needs fuel. Glug, glug! Glug, glug! Fill it up. Almost done. Full tank.
Ready to take on the town.
Drive to the construction spot carefully. The concrete is mixing nice and smooth. Now tilt the drum and pour the concrete right here. Awesome job! The truck is messy with concrete splashes. Time to clean it. Scrub, soap, and spray water all over. Here comes the water. Splash! Now it's shiny and ready for the next job.